Well, here in the Mid-State, Paul, we're getting a much-needed respite. We need it after Thursday and Friday.
Yeah, we just got a taste of what Harvey brought to Houston, but that was more than enough.
A very small taste.
Yeah, the flooding issues and now 3 confirmed tornadoes, 2 of which in Davidson County, but that is all in the past now. Let's take a look at what today looked like. We started off with still a couple of lingering showers, some lingering cloud cover over downtown Nashville. That quickly scooted off to the east, and we saw decrease in clouds throughout the morning. Plenty of sunshine in the afternoon. Our temperatures actually warmed all the way up to around 80 degrees this afternoon, but the humidity was nice and low. There was a nice breeze to stir things around. And since the sun has gone down and that wind has calmed down, boy, our temperatures have really dropped off. We're in the mid to upper 50s to around 60 degrees right now. 60 on the button in Nashville at the moment. That's already below our average low temperature by several degrees. And look at all these 50s on the map. Interspersed with some 60s, especially to the south and southwest of Nashville. But these temperatures below average for early September, and we're going to drop another few degrees as we head through the rest of the night. So let's take a look at Futurecast temperatures. Dropping down into the low 50s in eastern Middle Tennessee. That's almost chilly for early September. It's still summertime after all. Mid to upper 50s elsewhere, right around 60 degrees towards the Tennessee River to start off tomorrow morning. Maybe a sweatshirt if you're heading out for an early morning walk around the block. Temperatures will warm up rapidly though, up to around 80 degrees already by noon, and then into the low to mid 80s for high temperatures tomorrow afternoon. I think we'll reach up to about 85 degrees for an official high temperature in Nashville on Sunday. If you're heading out to Live on the Green tomorrow, remember tomorrow they are going to have Live on the Green down at Public Square Park because they've rescheduled Friday's show to be Sunday evening, which works out for Labor Day weekend. Looks like it's going to be great weather. 81 degrees at 6 o'clock, down to the mid 70s at 8 o'clock. Sheryl Crow takes the stage, I believe, at 8:30. Temperatures will be in the low 70s at that point. Not quite as cool out there tomorrow evening as it was for folks who went out this evening. Let's check out Futurecast and show you the next weather maker. It's going to be dropping down towards us. Little ripple in the atmosphere is going to try to spark just a little bit of cloud cover and maybe a shower or two in northern Middle Tennessee, right along the Tennessee-Kentucky state line tomorrow. It's largely going to fall apart as it moves in, so I don't expect anything more than maybe a 10% chance of a shower in northern Middle Tennessee and southern Kentucky. I wouldn't worry about it. Monday looks like a nice day for Labor Day. Then this system is going to have a little more moisture to work with as it drops in late Monday night and throughout the day on Tuesday. Good chance of showers and storms overall on Tuesday. It's not going to last as long as what we saw just a couple of days ago. This will pass through pretty quickly. Maybe a couple stronger storms, but right now it does not look like the ingredients are going to be there for a widespread severe weather event. We'll keep an eye on it just in case. Also keeping an eye on Hurricane Irma, way out here in the Atlantic Ocean. This is thousands of miles away. Zooming in for a closer look, it's an organized storm right now as it moves to the west. It's got 110 mile an hour sustained winds right now. It's going to strengthen even more to Category 3 status with 120 mile an hour winds. Eventually to Category 4 status is what the National Hurricane Center's forecast path does call for as it moves just to the north of Puerto Rico to the island of Hispaniola. Where it goes from there, now we get really speculative. 2 major long-range models, the American model, the European model, pretty close together as we hit the latter half of next week. But as they track it towards the U.S. coast, the European model slows down. It's the better forecast model, slows it down, keeps it off the east coast of the U.S. We'll hope it's the more accurate model in this case because the American model crashes it right into Chesapeake Bay towards Washington, D.C. and Baltimore right as we head towards the latter half of next weekend. So we'll keep an eye on that in case you have family or friends that way. Make sure they're paying attention to the forecast, but it's not going to have a direct impact on our weather around here. What we're going to get is nice weather. Once Tuesday's rain chance moves through, we're talking below average temperatures and dry conditions Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So next weekend is looking about as good as this weekend, and the weather certainly cooperated for the football down in Murfreesboro.